coming off a conversation and trying to figure out more resources to get to be in the community. I'm still working through that as well.
I was the data ethics and engineer for our stuff down there in Southern Vermont. And really what we wanted was just to get people vaccinated. So we literally only collected what we needed to, which was basically name and time, and then we erased all of that data afterwards because we wanted them to make sure you are safe here, this data is not going to be used. In fact, we didn't even let the Department of Health take that data from us. If you want to give that data to the Department of Health, that's on you. We're not going to give it for you. So it was very, very important for us to collect as little data as possible. Also for legal reasons.
Also to make it more accessible.
Right. Well, that's the point.
Yeah.
We did everything. We knew who we were serving. We knew the needs ahead of time. We literally, throughout COVID, we didn't have the luxury that most of you had. We didn't close. We were buying groceries, taking groceries to people's homes because our communities live in, talk about housing, small houses where everybody got COVID. I say that not that everybody, but most people did because of the housing condition. So we bought groceries, brought people's groceries so that they are not out. There, we did case management, went to people's houses, did case management, tried to figure out who needed doctor's appointment. We made sure that the providers had interpreters and that they could continue the services. It wasn't perfect. We have a lot of lesson learned out of that, but we didn't have the luxury not to because people couldn't. So that was the Burlington model, at least.
So I'm gonna end it here because I hear everyone else and people deserve a break. Is there like something that you want to leave the audience with? Like just one thought, one sentence, one word, whatever it might be. Popcorn style.
Being able, trust is what I want to leave, trust. Being able to be there and they trusted me, they still trust me, and so that gives me a chance to do more for the community and provide more services for the community. So
we are a community. Let's do this together. We cannot do it in silos. Let us find ways of working together. Let us find ways of accepting each other. And let us just be curious to know about each other enough to care, because at the core of each and every one of us, that's what we are. We are caring human beings. Let's do it in action as a community.
I would say don't ever forget how the pandemic felt for everyone. So much change in the pandemic, so much emotion came out, and the COVID pandemic as well as the murder of George Floyd and everything that came after. A lot happened that we can't ever forget, or else we'll just like erase all the progress that we've made thus far. So in the same way that we don't want to forget the Holocaust or the Rwandan genocide, and those are the things we say, don't forget those, don't forget this COVID period. It will never happen again, hopefully, in our lives. But if it does, we can't pretend like we didn't learn a lot of lessons that we can apply to the future.
For me is the gratitude that I hold for being able to share space with y'all, being able to share space with people in the audience, and in the future being able to share space with other people wanting to do this work and work hard at it.
Thank you all so much.